Oh, we get to go on a sweet adventure. Buddy thinks I'm just joking. Watch, it'll start right up now. Oh. Nothing.
Put new boots on that again?
New boots? Oh, yeah. You got an extra one?
Yeah, lots.
Oh, I found it.
So, just 2 different kinds.
2 different kinds of cigarette? Well, you only go 87 and a 50. That's good.
You're gonna be that guy, are you?
Oh, man. What happened at 7:30? You don't listen?
You know what happened.
Yeah, you don't listen.
Misunderstanding.
No, there was no misunderstanding. You don't listen. Truck no start. You know.
You got lots of trucks. Oh yeah. That's where the communication was lost at the oh yeah.
Yeah, you thought, oh yeah, like I remembered, but
right?
No, it was oh yeah.
I'm not a stunned cunt.
Yeah, I've got 25 trucks, but 0 of them are on the road, and I'm not just driving trucks willy-nilly.
Fucking I supposed to know that.
Use your head. Holy shit.
You have seen what happens clearly when I do that.
Holy. Yeah, now where are we going? Mississauga?
Beansville.
Never heard of it.
It's up near Vaughan.
Oh,
Past Hamilton.
so that's like 4. Oh yeah, right on. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, we missed it. He turned his lights off because he knew I was coming. He didn't want to be in my movie. I'm just sitting here smoking cigarettes. No big deal. Shit. Barton Street, that's where prison is. Where are we?
You know, buddies.
Oh, are you touching me where I pee?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, that guy. Oh, he's not even lighting him up?
No, he's waiting.
Oh, man.
He's got to have a reason. He's going too fast. He's going too fast now.
Right? Oh, no, he's jamming on his binders for no reason. Right on.
Double checking the speed.
Yeah.
So this is my road?
19 kilometers.
Oh, right, close. My phone 7 million times.
That's your phone? Well, they've got lights hooked onto the thing, so it's probably been there a minute. Holy shit, that's gonna be awesome to borrow off you all the time.
You are supposed to be coming to Beamsville for 10 a.m. to look at a dozer. Unfortunately, our guys are leaving now. It's 10:30. They have to do work elsewhere. I don't know who that is.
Fuck, she's mint, bud. Give him the cash. Let's go. Eh?
Doesn't seem like somebody's been here to start it. You know how many machines, how many hours this machine has?
How many?
3,200. And it's supposed to have a new engine in it.
3508.
Huh?
3508 hours.
The tractor I do.
What's it saying?
So the tenant says there's no one here, leave the property. The chick that owns the place, owns that, is in charge of it, whatever. She says, I clearly said 10 in the text yesterday. Please read the text. Well, for over a week it's been 11. Like, I'll do my very best to get there for 11. All week. So and then I just got another one from her. It says, I clearly said 10 in the text yesterday. Please read them. You'll have to leave the property.
It's on camera too.
I called and told them I was going to be here.
Just holy oh, you gotta love the Facebooks, boys. Drive all the way in here, and times are changing and different things. That would be so awesome to just be able to pick that up off this guy and borrow it off him. So he's the guy that borrowed my pressure washer and my friggin' man lift, and cut friggin' trees and play trapter in the woods 2 days. Driving around smoking cigarettes, 3 biscuits. Oh, it's a pigeon. It's a horse bird. I said, okay, just joking, I'll be there in 2 minutes. Holy shit. This and that about this and that right now, eh? What the f is this guy's deal? What did he say?
You gotta go. You gotta go right now. Cops are coming.
Cops are coming?
Cops have been called. As soon as you pulled up, you didn't answer your phone when you were here.
What?
I just did.
What a fucking goof. It's always these Dodge dicks, eh?
I have a feeling he's the tenant. And I don't
Look at this guy.
Like,
Which is hardest. Like, you gotta go. Look at this and that. Drove 2 hours to look at a trapter. Oh, he's calling the cops.
Okay. I hope you understand. This has been a communication problem.
No, it hasn't. You're just late.
You're just late.
What?
Who is he?
I don't know.
I don't even know what to think here.
Just a fucking goof, eh?
He rents the property, I assume?
Well, just fucked. He's like not going. Oh, he's turning back around now. Can you imagine you're selling a bulldozer on the internet? The guy shows up, fully texting you the whole time, tells you what time he's gonna be there, this, that, and the other thing, and then you get there, and then they're like, nope, you said 10 o'clock, and this and that, and blah, 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 blah. And
Apparently somebody called. Oh, this person called 4 times, and this person called 2 times.
oh, great. So you really didn't answer your phone.
No, we were driving. I said it.
Sakes. You're still waiting down there.
I don't care.
We should just go drive back onto his property and look at that trapter some more. Wanna?
No.
Why not? You quit that one? What a shit show. I was really looking forward to borrowing that off you big time. I don't know what I'd ever do with it, but probably push some stuff around, maybe some cars in the yard. It's just like sitting at the end of the road like a goof. Just a chomo, but don't worry about it, he's a chomo. That's how chomos act. I bet you if you didn't bring me with you, everything would have went smooth as
Asshole that just left. I just sent him this. Can I pay you for my lateness? I've come a long way and really only need a few minutes. I mean, like, I gotta give you $100 to make you better. No, you need to leave. Period. There is nothing to discuss, and stay off the property as we have cameras. A McCrispy.
Okay.
My mistake.
deluxe with the bacon onto it.
Deluxe. Put all the good stuff on it.
And is that going to be a meal or just on its own?
Just on its own.
Oh yeah. Look at all the bacon on this son of a bitch, eh? F yeah. Why even order? Put the fixins on it. Everything, the bacon, the fixins, everything.
Oh, load it.
She's loaded, boys. Holy f, I don't know if I can handle all these condiments. Good Lord, that started to suck real quick. Remember when we went to Whitby with Too Muchy? And I just barfed for like 4 or 5 hours straight? the same thing just about happened. I was like this close to freaking just barfing Buddy's car. He had to pull over, just sweating bullets and stuff. I don't know. That's crazy to me. Tires way overinflated, not even close to balanced, going 130, 140 the entire way, just on the brakes, like just like pulsing the brakes, terrible to stop every time, just gunning it right up to the back of somebody and then just on the brakes, terrible, and oh, I need to stop because it's a stop sign. Just don't just gradually come to a stop, just pulse, just pump the shit out of the brake pedal. It's really good for my guts, but of course, pretty close. I usually pull up further. I don't know why I didn't pull up further. Maybe it's because my whole program's cocked. But my truck button does nothing. Holy shit! There's $6. Holy! There's that fuse I dropped yesterday. I already changed the fuse. There's nothing wrong with it. That didn't, do anything. So. I checked the under the hood connections and everything yesterwards before we left, but it was to no avail, and it was 7 o'clock in the morning and I didn't want to lay on the ground and figure out what the dick. So I'm hoping it's just the wire fell off the starter. We can just plug that back on there and this and that, but we won't know until we get out there and climb under there and this that. So I got my cart, but yeah, what a shit show. You believe that? The friggin' guy. The problem is there's 3 people this guy's communicating with to get this bulldozer. So he messaged the one number, and that's all it is it's a phone number. You get a message, it's from a phone number, and it's like a 905 number, and they're all 905 numbers that he's been communicating with. So he messaged one number, oh, we're not going to be there till after 11. Well, tough titty, they messaged back tough titty, but he didn't get that message. He got a message from another 905 number saying like, oh yeah, everything's good, they're waiting for you and blah blah blah. So by the time we get there, phone's lit up, this, that, and the other thing. They're totally choked, but they're there. It's like, dude, bro, I'm driving. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, not drive anymore? Or like, you guys got this phone, it's like a television set, for freak's sakes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna fire out there and hopefully fix the starter on my truck, because we gotta go get the felon tomorrow. Otherwise he's gonna warrant for his arrest. And yeah, that's what happened there. But man, I was knocking on death's door yesterday, that's for sure. Total write-off yesterday. So let's fix the truck, and yeah, we'll just smoke cigarettes today. That's it. We'll have a nice relaxation day. Hey, I apologize. Not too bad. What are you saying? Coming to help me get my truck started?
Oh. Just won't start?
Yeah, it's it's got some Mickey Mouse wire thing with that button, and this guy before me cobbled the out of it, so like you didn't have to push the clutch and turn the key. I don't know. The ignition switch in the columns, so I got to change it anyway. So it probably wouldn't start with the key, so just ran a switch. And like I've had it blow a fuse before, and now like the one wire's like grounded and the other wire's like got, battery. So I don't know. I push a button, doesn't do all. So supposed to yesterday was just talk to you. Supposed to like meet Buddy at like 8:30 in the morning and then drive to the middle of nowhere to look at this bulldozer, for him or whatever. And I messaged him like 7:30, like, oh man, my truck won't start. And I checked the fuse, checked this, checked that, and it's 7:30 in the morning, freezing cold. I quit. So you're gonna have to come here and get me. So he thought I was joking or something. So like, I'm supposed to be at his house at 8:30. So at 20 after 8, I'm like, so like, what's the plan? Well, I'm waiting for you. Well, I messaged you at 7:30, told you my truck won't start. Like, what? You know what I mean? Oh, I thought you were joking. Well, right on. Well, I guess we're gonna be late as now.
You go tap, right?
Huh. Yeah, I barely touched the main stovepipe wire. Oh yeah, that boot's just full of water and schmutz.
There you go. Darken out.
Touch it just for a sec. Again? Oh yeah, the starter's loose. Yeah, the starter bolts are all loose here.
Told you it's that snowbank. You're beating the fuck out of it underneath of the truck.
Starter bolt.
Hot rodding, man.
Starter bolts loose. I'll have to get a. And starter's falling off. That's handy. Oh, like Schneikowitz boys. What do they think of next? You know what I mean? It's only about 18 turns loose. What?
Just a little loose.
Not too bad. You know what I mean?
What's that brown ram all about?
For sale.
Very good.
Yeah, it's just it's got a miss at idle, but it's not like, you know, it's not like valve ticking. So there's a little tip for you there. If your truck won't start, check to see if the starter's 3/4 unbolted. You're like the Inwood Nelson. Hey, every time my shit's broke, I'll just call you now.
There you go. Glad it could be a service.
Oh. Sounds like it's going.
You went. So. There's the grease on that side though. Let's see what the other side's going to be. Very good. Having it be able to stand up in there by itself is a little better too.
Yeah, that side didn't have any.
Sure. There's a ridge there. It can't go out the other way.
Huh. There you go. So then we just need to measure the outside of that bushing, get new bushings that are fat as the other thing.
Oh, swing and a miss.
Did you get your finger?
No, I just grazed off here and twisted. Feel like
Oh, it's balanced. Yeah, I'll get my finger now.
oh, see what I mean? Yeah. Moving. You can hear the sound difference. One more. One more. That's the stuff. Fucking right. It's just a pin too. It's probably tacked in place, is it? Anyway.
Looks like a little cotter pin pushed through it. But yeah, we can just bash that off, cut the little weld that on there. Be able to change your attachments anyway, put forks or whatever the fuck on it. Those guys are fucking loud, holy shit. Just thundering on my fucking chrome socket. Right on. Have a good one. Roger. This tool is very handy for diagnosing loose starters. Hey, I apologize. Buddy, that's enough!